Welcome again, people. This is another video about my DIY e-bike, okay, of my 1500 watts wheel hub motor from Nbpower. I create my own swing arm and make my own dropout with some thick metal. This metal is about 2 inches thick, and make my own plate for my caliper brake for the disc brakes. Okay, I'm not quite finished yet. I have to block those holes. This one here as well. There's about 4 of them I have to block. And then I cut the back out of the bike from here to the here, and then I drill out. I put a nut and bolt here, and then plus a shock so the swing arm can move. Then I also make a battery box to put my battery. Then I have to make a cover to cover it with a padlock, so if I park somewhere, nobody can take my battery. But this battery box, it might not stay there because I have to put the chain for the bike. So if I have to leave it here, most likely I have to raise the battery box a bit higher for the chain to pass, or what I will do is probably cut the bicycle frame from here to here, and then put a bracket down here, reinforce it, and then the battery box will be here, and then I'll be welding it, and then make a cover for it so I can distribute the weight on the bike, because the wheel hub motor is a bit heavy. The swing arm have a little bit of weight as well too. Okay. So this is my DIY e-bike. I'm not done with it yet. Pretty soon I'll be changing this fork and put a 20x4 fork on the bike. Okay. So that's what I have for right now. So I'm using it right now. So this is a 26-inch rim in the front. Okay. And then I have the control right there. This controller will not stay here. I'll be making a seat from the frame to go as far above the battery box, where the battery is right now, going all the way in the back there right now. And the controller will be under the seat. Sorry for my mess. I've been working for all night long. About 3 days I'm working on that bike. I have tools everywhere, drill, everything. So that's the plan right now. Right now I have the controller on. Okay. Let me see. Okay, it's on. Let me put it on mode. Okay. It's on pass through 0. When it's a pass through 0, control don't do nothing. Okay. Okay. Let me put it on mode 1. It's on echo, so which means it don't take too much power from the battery. Let me see that. See, we get 10.4 miles. Let me see the wheel in the back. Let's see how it's turning. Okay. Let me in the front here. Put it on mode 2. Mode 2. Let's see. 70 miles. 0.8. Okay. Mode 3. 23.1 miles. And this battery is it's 66.6. That's the voltage right now because it is not full. I have to charge the battery. This battery charging up to 73.3 volts. Okay, let's try number 4. Number 4 is power. So I'll be getting more power out of the bike. Okay, let's look at the wheel. The wheel is turning. And then 28.2 miles. Number 5, let me see. 27 miles, we have no load. But when I'm going to charge the battery, I should be getting more speed out of the bike. Let's see how the whip turning. 26 or 27.4 miles. Okay. Okay, I have not put the front brakes yet. I still have a lot of things I have to do, but I'm only trying the bike. After I have to dismount everything and then paint the bike after a while. I'm only trying to see how it works. But this battery box for sure, I'll have to move it from there. I'll have to fit it here. I'll have to cut the frame, make a bracket, put it on it and weld it. So I can distribute the weight, of the battery on the motor on the bike. So I'll put another piece of iron here, going across, and the battery box will be on it, and I'll be welding it. Okay, and then from here, put another piece again, like a piece of sheet of metal, goes on there, then weld it so you can reinforce the frame, and the battery box will be right there, and then I'll be making a cover to cover the battery box. Okay, I'm just bringing that video to you all to see what I've done lately with the Nbpower wheel hub motor. Sorry for what my mess in the house. I have tools everywhere because it's about 3 days I'm working on that on a row. And this takes a lot of time. I myself I have to go to work. It's after work when I come back, I do something on it every night. Probably in the long run, I might change that shock and put a better shock on that as well too. Because this shock, it bottomed me very fast. Without the battery, it bottomed me too fast. I'll change it and put another one. Or probably what I will do, make the seat come away all the way here and put 2 shocks in the back, just like the way they designed the Honest RCR bikes. So I'll put 2. It will look just like the gas scooters. Okay, so it will ride much better. Stay tuned for another part. I'm just bringing that video to you all to show you all what I've done with the Nbpower hub motor. Okay. So probably by tomorrow I'll be going to test that bike to see how it's performing. Okay. Stay tuned for more. Bye.